What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you some major updates on the Qubittech, now QubitLife platform. All right, you probably heard some information about that, but I want to give you the real deal, right? Before I do that, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Man, there's been some major updates with QubitLife. That's right. If you guys didn't know, Qubittech has transitioned into QubitLife. Therefore, the web domain is qubit.life. Don't use anything else. There's a lot of people out there that are trying to mimic what QubitLife is doing. They're trying to trick people. They're trying to scam people. Do not use anything but qubit.life. Right now, that is the new domain. That's how you log in and everything, okay? So I want you guys to definitely go ahead and get logged in with that if you're involved. If not, if you want to register, I'm going to drop a link in the video so you can go ahead and get registered. And I think after you see all this phenomenal information that I'm going to share with you, that you're going to be excited about getting registered, okay? So I want to tell you guys that the company had a major event. It was called, there was a base camp event, and then there was also a big forum event called From Good to Great, right? And that was a major event that was in the Dominican Republic. A lot of our leaders actually went to that. I was unable to make it, but a lot of our leaders went to that event, and man, they said it was absolutely phenomenal. The company unveiled a lot of the plans for the future at that event. I did attend virtually. I want to tell you that I did attend it virtual. I just wasn't able to be there in person, but I want to tell you guys that this company is doing some major things. The future outlook of this company is so bright, man. It is absolutely amazing. The company did release that they're doing a venture capital program, which they're going to be helping fund startups. And those startups are going to get mentoring. They're going to get access to financing. And they're going to also become a part of the QubitLife platform so they can get support from the users that are already involved with the platform. Now, let me tell you, this platform has been growing like wildfire. There's over 350,000 users on this platform right now. Incredible numbers. The company hasn't even been around that long, and 350,000 users already. That is absolutely amazing, right? The company is going to go to 1 million users this year. So it's best to get in front of this wave. I'm going to be straight up and honest with you guys. I know I'm not really usually that direct with you all, but I want to let you know, if you've been waiting, if you've been sitting on the fence and you're ready to get started, you need to go ahead and do it. Jump down in the description. If you look in the description box of this video, a lot of people ask me for a link to get started. Jump down into the description box of this video. I'm going to have a few instructions and a link for you to get started with, okay? So I want to tell you, once you get started, you can go ahead and send me an email. Send me an email, and then I'm going to put my email address in the description box as well, right? So that you can reach out to me once you get started, and we can run all the way to the top. Okay, I want to help as many people as I can. I have people on my team now that's already made over 6 figures. I have people making over $20,000 a month now. I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. I want to show you my results in just a few, guys. So just stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. So I want to let you guys know that the top 30 of the company, though the company has revised that. They have a top 30 rating right now to rank the people to the top 30. Look, I'm making great money and I'm not in that top 30 yet. So I have something that I'm shooting towards, that I'm going to get to that top 30. There's just been a QubitLife leadership conference in Iraq that's coming up, right? We've just been notified about that. And then there's also an office that was opened in Chile and another office opened in Mexico. I'm telling you, man, there are offices opening around the world. There's over 55 offices around the world right now, which is incredible. Our digital licenses are now called educational licenses or education licenses. So I want to tell you that, but they operate the same way. They still get you 250% returns. The company's been paying out phenomenally, never missing a payment, doing exactly what they say they're going to do. So I'm going to tell you, these returns are amazing. The corporate licenses are going very well. People are getting paid out on corporate licenses. One of my leaders actually got paid out on a corporate license to purchase a Cadillac Escalade, and she purchased that car with her corporate license. Another one of my leaders is actually going to be purchasing a Lexus vehicle with hers. She just got paid hers out yesterday. So that's absolutely amazing. The cashback license is working well also, that people are going and purchasing the cashback licenses and getting 20% per month to use for cashback. So that's incredible also. So I want to tell you guys that's available. We have a new training that's coming up, a boom sales training that's going to be happening on the 21st of this month. I went ahead and enrolled for that because I'm always improving myself and my skills, but this is going to help people be more successful with this platform. We have our travel network. There's a trip coming up to Morocco very soon. Then there's a base camp that's going to be going on in Thailand very soon. So I want to let you guys know about all these incredible things that are happening with the platform. So there's a venture capital platform that I told you guys about. There's also a QDT, a token that the company has come out with, their own token, and we get the ability to participate in that private sale prior to it being released out to the public. So I think that's an incredible thing as well. So guys, there's a lot of great things that's coming up. The company actually has Qubit Gold, a platform in which a company rather, which they'll be mining gold. They have new technology they're going to use to mine gold. I mean, just some really incredible things that the company has going on right now. So I want to tell you guys, I believe all of this is absolutely amazing. Now I know what you guys have been looking for is, hey, Anthony, are you still making money? Is it still going well for you? Right. And I want to show you guys what I've been doing. I am still a rank 8 now, about to be a rank 9, which I'm excited about that. Right. I'm about to be a rank 9 very, very soon. This is going to be amazing because if you guys know the compensation plan at rank 9, I will get paid a $50,000 bonus. But you know what's more important? When I hit rank 9, it lets me know that I've had an impact on more people's lives. Right. And that's what's more important to me. So I want to tell you guys that as well. So you see that I'm a rank 8, but check this out. I've hit 2 of the 3 qualifications to go to rank 9. So you see, I've blown this. To go to rank 9, I need a $250,000 worth of volume first line that's personally referred by me. I'm at $377,000 in volume personally referred. 3.2 million on leg 1. The goal for rank 9 is 3 million, right? So I'm at 3.2 million on that leg. That's already done. And then we have on leg 2, the goal is 900,000. We're at 533,000 on this leg, and I'm going to keep pushing it and getting this where it needs to be as well. So guys, that's absolutely phenomenal. Now I want to show you the amount of money that I've made from this platform so far, guys. I've made over $157,000 with this platform since October the 1st. So just over 5 months, about 5.5 months, I've made $157,000. I think that's incredible, right? I remember when I used to make $50,000 a year. This is like 3 years worth of income for me. This is amazing. But what's more impressive is our affiliate network volume, which is not showing for me right now. But I want to tell you guys that's over 3.7 million, I think it is. We're almost at $4 million in affiliate network volume. And so this organization is growing like crazy, guys. I'm so excited about what we're able to do. And I want so many people to be blessed by this, right? I want to tell you, you guys know me. If you followed me for any amount of time, you followed my complete journey with QubitLife. And I know a lot of you were waiting to see if it was going to be around, if it was going to stay around, if I was going to do well with it, if anybody else was going to do well with it. Well, guys, I'm telling you right now that it's going very, very well. As you guys can see, I have $8,500 in my wallet right now that I can withdraw. I've been getting all my withdrawals. I forgot to show you guys that, right? I've been making somewhere around $50,000 a month now, right? And I want to tell you guys that that's absolutely amazing that you could do this in such a short period of time. And it looks like it did kick me out for a second, but let's see if it comes back. There you go. It did come back. Okay. But I want to show you guys my withdrawals here. I did want to show you this. So you see my latest withdrawals back on February the 11th, I withdrew 10,000. On the 17th, I withdrew 7,000. On the 26th, I withdrew 10,500. On the 4th of March, I withdrew 7,000. And on the 11th of March last week, I withdrew 8,000. And I have 8,000 in here now. I'll probably do another withdrawal for about 8,000 and take 8,000 out of this platform again. Guys, this thing is amazing right here. It's just so many people being blessed. I just got notified and one of my team members hit rank 8 as well. Today they hit rank 8 in 90 days. And guys, I'm looking for some leaders out there. If you've been a leader in any other company, whether it's network marketing, direct sales, traditional sales, whatever it could be, and you're looking for a genuine opportunity with a company that's really working, with a company that's really hot right now, that's absolutely on fire, right? Then I want you to reach out to me. Let's talk. Let's find out if this is something for you. I'm not saying that this is for everyone, because I know everything is not for everybody and everybody is not for everything. But I want to talk to some leaders, because if this is for you, you can actually bless all of your people and you can reach a lot of your own personal goals, guys. So hopefully this appeal will go out to those who really are looking for a new opportunity, a fresh start for themselves, or anyone else who just are ready to earn some money passively. I'm telling you, come over here. Let us show you how it's done. Get involved, get in front of the wave that's about to be created. All right, guys, you know how we do it. We will always invest wisely, but we will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose, but we are investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, guys, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I'm out.